are doing right now, the exercise they are doing is bedding. They are bedding the stems so that you can have straight ones. The ones that original, they cannot be marketable. They are not sellable. You cannot export them. These our plants, we only plant seedlings from the mother plant and birdwoods that we get from our farm. The plants that we are planting, like this one, we got it from our farm. Then we go, we take it to the propagator. They graft it with a wild rose, which is the mother plant. So
Wild rose?
Yeah, it's a wild rose. Yeah, but cannot be. It's not good for. It has a lot of thorns. These thorns, they are getting them from the wild rose. Yeah.
Which is
That
the parent plant?
is a parent plant. It cannot survive. You cannot plant it straight. It's like oranges. You can't get straight oranges. Yeah. So a rose plant, you cannot get one and just stick it, then it grows. You have to graft it for you to get a better plant. Yeah. So it's not yet old enough for it to be harvested, but very soon, maybe in a span of, after this bending now, in a span of 2 months, we'll be harvesting the crop. So this is how, what we were saying. On top here is the cocoa pit. You cannot see it, but it is the one which is on top. Most of it is mixed up.
Yeah,
it's mixed up for it to grab the crop. But inside, together with the pumice, this is the pumice we were talking about. Yeah. Has no weight.
And pumice is locally.
Yeah, locally. Yeah,
because it's around quite a large piece because volcanic.
Yeah. It's just across the other farm.